In front of me is Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to hit apps. Then tap on app lock, select turn on and enter whatever pattern you like. You can also hit change password and pick one of those login methods instead. After creating your login method to lock your apps, repeat it to confirm it and hit next. Now you can sign in and add your Xiaomi account here, or choose Not Now by tapping on it twice. Finally, to lock all of those apps, hit use app lock right away. If you don't want to do that, tap on each one and then select use app lock at the bottom. Now you can hit settings in the pop-up to allow your fingerprint sensor to unlock your apps, or hit cancel and do it later. Finally, to lock any app, use gray switcher next to it and go back. So now when I try to access one of those locked ones, I can see that app lock is required. To disable it from any app, go back to the same settings, enter your app lock and use no blue switches. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!